Swap R and B color channel values in a directory of images. Python. I've got a big directory of screenshots. Silly me, I didn't check that they were coming out fine and found out the hard way VLC has a bug with Fraps True RGB. Luckily it seems fixable. It looks like the only problem is that the R and B channels were swapped. Using Python's pill, I'd like to grab the red and blue values for each pixel for each image and then reinsert them swapped. I know how to walk through a directory, so the main piece I'm missing is the best way to swap the values. I think I could do it pixel for pixel, but maybe there's a more Pythonic way, perhaps batching it all in one command? Any example code or links would be highly appreciated.
You can let ImageMagick do that for you. Let's make a red-black gradient image like this. Now we can load it up, separate the R, G and B channels, swap the red with the blue and recombine them into the output image. ImageMagick is installed on most Linux distros and available for OS X, ideally via Homebrew, and also for Windows from here. If you want to do a whole directory of PNG files, for example, you would do. If you are on Linux or OS X. If you are on Windows, you would need to do something like this with the mad Windows syntax.
Building on Advita's answer, the process may be greatly accelerated by working on color channels instead of individual pixels. In the loop for each file, channels may be swapped like this. Just use these two lines instead of the nested loops in Vita's answer. This should run considerably faster. This solution first uses image.split to create 3 separate images, one for each R, G, B channel. Then image.merge is used to create a new RGB image with swapped R and B channels.